Today we're counting down the best fitness trackers that can literally change the way you train in 2025. We're talking about everything from screenless wonders that athletes swear by to smart rings that track your every move. And yes, even a budget option that punches way above its weight class. Whether you're a serious athlete or just getting started, there's something here that'll match your lifestyle perfectly. Let's dive right in. Starting strong with the Whoop Life 5.0, and this thing is a serious game changer for dedicated athletes. Whoop completely redesigned their 5.0 generation with groundbreaking features like smart sensing technology that adapts to your finger movement for incredible accuracy. The biggest upgrade? Battery life. We're talking 14 plus days on a single charge, which is absolutely insane for a fitness tracker this advanced. Now, what makes the Life tier special is the medical grade ECG functionality built right into the class. Just place your fingers on it and boom, you get heart rhythm notifications and blood pressure trend tracking. The Whoop 5.0 also introduces health span and pace of aging metrics using 9 biomarkers to calculate your biological age versus your actual age. Pretty wild stuff. Here's the thing though. Whoop runs on a subscription model at $359 per year for the Life tier. You're not just paying for hardware, you're getting AI-powered coaching, strain and recovery scores, and incredibly deep sleep analysis. The band itself has no screen, which some people love because it's completely distraction-free, but if you need real-time stats during workouts, you'll need your phone nearby. There's also no built-in GPS, so distance tracking requires your smartphone. Verdict: best for serious athletes and biohackers who want the absolute deepest dive into recovery, strain, and longevity metrics. If you're training for performance and don't mind the subscription, this is peak fitness tracking. Next up, we've got the Amazfit Helio strap, and honestly, this is the Whoop killer everyone's been waiting for. At just $100 with 0 subscription fees, it's basically giving you 70% of what Whoop offers for a fraction of the cost. The Helio strap is screenless, weighs only 20 grams, and uses Amazfit's BioTracker 6.0 sensor for continuous heart rate monitoring. The big selling point here is BioCharge energy monitoring, which tracks your recovery and readiness throughout the day. You get 28 workout modes, including a dedicated Hyrox race mode for CrossFit fans. And it even has smart strength training recognition that can identify 25 different exercises automatically. Battery life is solid at around 10 days, and you can wear it on your wrist or upper arm with optional bands. Where the Helio strap struggles is automatic workout detection. It's overly sensitive at times and can take 30 plus minutes to sync activity data to the app after your workout. The Zepp app also feels a bit cluttered compared to more polished competitors. But here's the kicker. You can use any standard 22mm watch band with it, so customization is super easy. Verdict: best for budget-conscious athletes who want comprehensive health tracking without monthly fees. If you're a CrossFitter or strength trainer looking for a Whoop alternative that won't drain your wallet, this is your pick. Moving into smart ring territory with the Oura Ring 4, and this is hands down the gold standard for discrete health tracking. Oura completely redesigned the Gen 4 with flush sensors instead of those bumpy ones from previous generations, so it's way more comfortable to wear 24/7. The ring comes in titanium with multiple finishes and sizing options, and it's water resistant up to 100 meters. The Ring 4 introduces smart sensing, which automatically adapts to find the optimal signal path on your finger for improved accuracy. You're getting exceptional sleep tracking with sleep scores, daily readiness scores that tell you how hard you should train, and comprehensive menstrual cycle insights for women. Battery life hits 6 to 8 days depending on your size and usage, and it charges in under an hour. Now here's the reality check. The Oura Ring costs $499 up front plus a $6 monthly subscription or $70 annually to access all the features. And compared to the Gen 3, the improvements are somewhat incremental, mainly better comfort and slightly improved accuracy. Verdict: best for people who prioritize sleep tracking and recovery insights without wearing a bulky watch. If you hate wearing devices at night but still want data-driven health insights, the Oura Ring 4 is your answer. The Garmin Venu 4 is Garmin's answer to the Apple Watch, and it's honestly one of the most impressive all-around smartwatches launched in 2025. This thing bridges the gap between lifestyle smartwatch and serious sports tracker better than anything else out there. You're getting a stunning AMOLED display in 41mm or 45mm sizes, wrapped in a premium all-metal stainless steel case that looks incredible. Battery life is where Garmin absolutely destroys the competition, up to 11 days in smartwatch mode, which makes the Apple Watch look ridiculous by comparison. The Venu 4 packs dual-frequency GPS for insane accuracy, training readiness scores, and Garmin's entire ecosystem of advanced fitness features like VO2 max, training load, and recovery time predictions. There's even a built-in LED flashlight on the side, which is surprisingly useful. New features include heat and altitude acclimation tracking, projected race time predictions, and evening reports that summarize your day. You're also getting speaker and microphone for calls, offline music storage from Spotify and Amazon Music, and Garmin Pay for contactless payments. The new software is cleaner and faster than previous Garmin watches. Verdict: best for serious athletes who want an all-in-one smartwatch that can handle both marathon training and business meetings. If you refuse to charge your watch every night and want top-tier fitness features, the Venu 4 is peak Garmin. The Apple Watch Series 11 might look identical to the Series 10, but Apple finally cracked the code on battery life. For the first time ever, you're getting a true 24-hour rating that includes sleep tracking, which means you can finally wear this thing all day and night without stressing about charging. The Series 11 introduces groundbreaking hypertension notifications that can alert you to possible chronic high blood pressure by analyzing how your blood vessels respond to heartbeats over rolling 30-day periods. You're also getting daily sleep scores, finally catching up to competitors, and the display now uses ION-X glass that's 2x more scratch resistant than before, plus 5G cellular support for better connectivity. Everything else is classic Apple Watch excellence. Incredible health features including ECG, blood oxygen, wrist temperature, seamless iPhone integration, and the most polished smartwatch OS available. The downside? If you already own a Series 10, there's basically no reason to upgrade, and compared to the Apple Watch SE 3 at $249, it's hard to justify the extra $150 for most people. Verdict: best for iPhone users who want the ultimate smartwatch with cutting-edge health features. If you're on a Series 8 or older, this is a fantastic upgrade, but Series 10 owners should probably skip this one. And finally, the champion of budget fitness trackers, the Amazfit Bip 6 at just $79. This thing is absolutely ridiculous for the price. You're getting a massive 1.97-inch AMOLED display with 2000 nits peak brightness that looks better than watches costing 5 times as much. The design is sleek aluminum that could easily be mistaken for an Apple Watch from a distance. Battery life is phenomenal at 14 days, and that's with the always-on display enabled. The Bip 6 supports over 140 workout modes, has built-in GPS with free offline maps you can download, and includes Amazfit's AI-powered Zepp Coach for personalized training plans. You're also getting 24/7 heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking with scores, stress monitoring, and blood oxygen measurement. The Bip 6 even does Bluetooth calls, has 5 ATM water resistance, and supports strength training with automatic recognition of 25 exercises. For under $80, this is genuinely shocking. The main compromises are accuracy. It tends to overestimate sleep by 30 minutes, and GPS heart rate aren't as precise as premium trackers. The Zepp app can also feel cluttered and overwhelming. Verdict: best for beginners or budget-conscious users who want impressive features without breaking the bank. If you're just starting your fitness journey or refuse to spend hundreds on a tracker, the Bip 6 is an absolute no-brainer. So there you have it. The best fitness trackers of 2025 for every budget and lifestyle. Whether you're going all in with the Whoop Life, getting incredible value with the Helio strap or Bip 6, or choosing between the premium Oura Ring, Garmin Venu 4, or Apple Watch Series 11, there's never been a better time to level up your health game. All the links are down below. Pick the one that fits your lifestyle best, and I'll see you in the next one.